The Innerwell 6-piece nonstick pan set is a great helper in the kitchen. This brand offers some good options for anyone who loves to cook. The set includes 3 frying pans of different sizes. It also comes with 3 lids to keep the heat in. These pans have a special honeycomb design inside. This design helps keep food from sticking. Cleaning is a breeze because of this nonstick surface. You can use regular detergents to wash them. This Innerwell 6-piece nonstick pan set works on different kinds of stovetops. You can use them on induction and gas stoves. The handles are designed to stay cool while you cook. This is a helpful feature, so you don't burn your hands. The different sizes of the pans are useful for cooking different amounts of food. Whether you are cooking a small breakfast or a big dinner, there is a pan for you. This set is a solid choice for everyday cooking. If you are looking for a reliable cookware set, consider the Innerwell 6-piece nonstick pan set. It offers good value and makes cooking easier. The nonstick surface is a big plus, and the stay cool handles add safety. While it might not be something you'd find on Woot for extreme discounts often, it's a dependable set. It handles heat well for everyday cooking tasks. This set is a practical addition to any kitchen, and it simplifies the cooking process. Pros: stainless steel, durable build, non-stick tech, honeycomb design, stay cool handle, includes lids, induction ready, gas stovetop okay, easy to clean, versatile sizes, oven safe, good heat transfer. Cons: may stick if not oiled, non-stick may degrade, uneven heating possible, can be heavy to handle. Handles might get hot, lids may not fit well, cleaning can be tricky, durability is a concern. Price may be too high, not fully non-stick features. 6-piece set, stainless steel, non-stick surface, honeycomb design, stay cool handles. Includes lids, induction ready, gas stovetop safe, works on other stoves, easy to clean. This Innerwell 6-piece stainless steel frying pan set is great for cooking many kinds of food. The pans are made of stainless steel and have a non-stick surface with a honeycomb pattern, which helps food not stick. The handles stay cool while you cook, and the set comes with lids for the pans. These pans can be used on different kinds of stoves, like induction and gas. They are also easy to wash after you are done cooking. This Innerwell 6-piece stainless steel frying pan set is built to last and features a non-stick surface with a honeycomb design, along with stay cool handles and lids for each pan. These pans work on induction and gas stovetops and are oven safe, offering versatile cooking options and easy cleaning. However, while they aim for good heat transfer, they might stick if not properly oiled, and the non-stick coating could wear down over time. Some users might find uneven heating. The pans can be heavy, and the handles could get hot. Additionally, there are potential issues with lid fit, cleaning difficulty, overall durability, and a possibly high price. And they are not entirely non-stick.